Besheram. Today I'm gonna prepare watermelon khichdi. So khichdi is a very traditional Gujarati dish. It's a comfort in a bowl, just like mac and cheese. One bowl is never enough for me. Doing with watermelon is the perfect combination because sweet watermelon with the rind, with the savory spices, chili and garlic, it balances, and it's the hydration, it's the perfect combination, and I can't wait to share with you. Fun part about this recipe, we're using the whole watermelon. We have watermelon juice, but also the white part of the watermelon. It almost acts as a sponge. It provides the moisture and the flavor. So in a pot, I would like to use a heavy bottom pot because we're cooking the lentils and the vegetables. We don't want to burn it. So it's important we start with a good pot and volume of the water to carry, even if the final dish is not as much. My ghee, I added my ghee to the pot with a touch of oil. As you see, the smoke is coming out. This is the right temperature. I'm gonna turn the heat a little bit down. Now this part we have to be fast. We're gonna pop our mustard seeds. They have to pop, otherwise it will be bitter. We adding our cumin. Cumin will pop, asafoetida, and my favorite is the curry leaves. Once it pop, so we loosening up. Our onion has to turn just a little softer before we start. We play with the heat and you decide how high you want or how low. Now we start adding our chopped carrots, my watermelon. We have red potato with the skin. I love the skin, using the skin with my potatoes. Gonna use up all my curry leaves. It flavored the khichdi so well. We wanna coat the oil and the ghee around the vegetables. It's important to cook our turmeric so it takes the rawness out. I use basmati rice. I love the flavor of basmati rice, and today I use for the lentil is yellow moong dal. They are soaked couple of hours. Little fat around our granules. This helps each and every rice separate. As you see, our fat disappeared, soaked up. Now is the time to add. Oh my God, this watermelon juice, I just wanna drink it. So good, so delicious. I just added as much as like 4 cups right now. And I tried, this watermelon juice is very sweet. So now we're gonna balance with the sweetness, adding some of our minced chili. You can add as much as you like. I'm gonna add the garlic, and this will cook really fast. Add some water, little more. We need as much like 2.5 amount of water and the lentil. If we have 1 cup of the soaked lentil and the rice, I say 2.5 cup of the water. Look at the color, amazing. Now we need to boil it. I'm gonna add the salt, adding touch of garam masala, This is the time to try your salt and how spicy, how salty you want to balance the flavor, because this water gonna soak up by our rice, vegetables, lentils, and it will flavor your dish. Oh, so good. Gonna add a little more salt. When we talk about watermelon, we think about watermelon salad, cutting the watermelon with the chili and the salt on a hot days. I love watermelon smoothie, so it's always something sweet. But I think watermelon is so versatile. You can use in a savory form, you can shred it, and you can garnish. And this is why I'm here to show you. Cooking today with watermelon is very exciting because watermelon is sweet, it has a lot of water, and that balances with the khichdi because we use a lot of water to cook the lentils and the rice. This is our version of risotto. It's a comfort in a bowl. So it really works, and we balances the sweetness of the watermelon, adding the garlic, the chilies, the curry leaves, the cilantro, and that takes away the sweetness, but it makes the dish more complex. We're gonna boil it, then we're gonna cover it, let it simmer for 10-15 minutes. It's a half hour, but it's worth it. Our mixture is boiling, is bubbling away. Now we want this rolling boiling, and we're gonna catch that steam to cook our lentils and rice. See you in 10 minutes. This is our finished khichdi look like. All our vegetables, lentil, rice cooked with the watermelon juice, and it all becomes one. We're gonna finish with some chopped cilantro. I'm gonna tear some mint. If you like any other herbs other than that, as I said, you can go with the herbs you like. But I say stick to one herb, don't overcrowd with too many. We love our khichdi having some crunch of the papad with the garlic pickle. We love having it with the ghee, with the crunch of the peanuts. Let's put it in a plate. Oh my God, the color is perfect. It looks so good. I may add in my menu. Look at that. So this is tarbooj khichdi. I'm gonna drizzle the little mustard oil from my garlic pickle. You don't need much. The garlic pickle just adds the little bitterness of the fenugreek, the sweetness of the comfy garlic, raw onion. I'm gonna top it up. This is all the pickles I make at my restaurant. I serve Gujarati food, which is a lot about pickles and chutneys we add with our main course. Definitely, I'm gonna cube some watermelon on top. It's nice to garnish the stuff we already using inside so the flavor goes through. I love the crunch of the peanuts. These are roasted with little bit of lime, chili, salt. And these are all my toppings. Of course, I have the ghee right here. It adds the creaminess to the dish. I'm gonna try. I can't wait. It's so good. I hope you try this dish and you make the dish, you like the dish, and let me know what you think. It's definitely going in my menu.